Generally, states must give full faith and credit to the judgments of courts from other states. This means that if a court in Illinois awards damages, but the defendant lives in Ohio and refuses to pay, Ohio must enforce the Illinois court's judgment. But do states have to enforce a court's judgment if the court lacked jurisdiction? The Second Circuit considered this question in Wyman v. Newhouse. Sarah Wyman, a resident of Florida, engaged in an extramarital affair for several years with Edgar Newhouse, a resident of New York. Wyman sent Newhouse a telegram claiming that she was permanently relocating to Ireland to care for her dying mother and needed to see Newhouse before she left. Wyman also professed her love for Newhouse in a letter and during a phone conversation, and insisted she couldn't leave without seeing him one last time. Newhouse finally agreed to visit and flew to Florida. At the Miami airport, a sheriff's deputy served Newhouse with a summons for a lawsuit. Wyman had filed a claim against Newhouse seeking $500,000 in damages for money loaned and seduction under the promise of marriage. Newhouse flew back to New York that night. Based on his attorney's advice, Newhouse ignored the summons, and a Florida trial court entered a default judgment against him. When Wyman attempted to enforce the judgment in New York, Newhouse moved to dismiss the action. The district court granted the motion, ruling that service of process was improper because Wyman lured Newhouse to Florida through fraud. Wyman appealed to the Second Circuit.